In this video, we're going to talk about how you can cash out on Doordash. Now here, what we want to do is first load up the Doordash Dasher app, and you want to log in with your account, and also you will need to connect a debit card before you do any of these steps. Now we will actually need to take 4 different steps. So for the first step, we want to click on the hamburger menu icon. It should be in the top left here. So just click on the hamburger menu icon. Then we will have to go into earnings. That is the second step. For the third step, we will select the bank icon at the top, and then we can choose between either weekly payout, which is paid out usually on Tuesdays, or fast pay, which basically means that we get paid out for a little tax of $1.99, and you will get paid out immediately. So if you have enough money to get paid out, you can select fast pay, and like I said, for $1.99 you will be able to receive your sum of money. So that's how you do it. I hope this was informative. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.